Hey guys, what software do you need to run a virtual team? My name's Jason Knight and I've been running a virtual team, a creative studio, for a couple of years now. So here is my tips and my hacks of the best software that I use to create a virtual, seamless team. Enjoy. What's the best way to communicate with people without doing face-to-face? So video conferencing would probably be the way. For me, I've used Zoom for a couple of years now. It has the benefit of being super easy to use. It's free up to 40 minutes of recording, and you can and it's super easy to use. It's a bit like a FaceTime sort of interface. So super easy. It's actually what I'm recording this video on now. And it's not just a matter of filming people, but you can also share your screen and actually record what is on the screen itself. So nice and easy. Pricing, look, check it out for yourself. But as I said, I use the free one. It's free up to 40 minutes. The pro and business ones go up from that, but you are allowed more and more participants on. So that would probably be where I'd recommend you start looking at. The other options for video calls that you probably already have on your phone would be Messenger and WhatsApp. They, let me share what they look like. Messenger, obviously linked to Facebook. They both have a limit of 4. So these, you can only have 4 people on a call at the same time, on a video call that is. So that can be a limit, that can be great. It's fine for obviously small teams, but when you start to incorporate larger teams, that's where Zoom comes into its own. So let's have a quick squiz at the lights we use, as well as the audio. Audio is pretty straightforward. It is simply a Blue Yeti. It's a microphone that you can grab. It's a USB microphone, and you can grab that from JB or online. I think roughly it was about $60, $70. So pretty straightforward, but it lifts the level of audio quality from average to good. And obviously you can keep spending from there. Light is a little bit more of a custom. It's from Falcon Eyes. For me, I wanted something that I could adjust the level of intensity as well as the color tone from a blue tint to a warm tint or an orange tint. So again, I'll put a link in there. I'm not sure. I think it was roughly $150 off the top of my head. Great, so now you know how to chat to people. How the heck do you collaborate with people? So number 2 is all about software to help collaboration. You probably will have heard this program before. It is Slack. Slack is a little bit like chat or text message combined with email. So email and organizing files sucks. In my opinion. So the idea with Slack is that you're able to set up a whole bunch of different channels, i.e. marketing, design, deadlines, whatever the different channels, and bring people into those channels. And as a result, they're able to communicate and collaborate where projects are at and where things are at. An amazing free software that is able to bring alignment with teams. There is paid. I don't, to be honest, know the difference is, but I just use the free version for my team, and it works super well. The next, and probably my probably the most different application that you might not have heard before, is one of my favorites called Filestage. It's an amazing program for communicating and proofing content. So I despise revisions and changes, and email sucks for that. Where Filestage comes into its own is you can upload videos, PDFs, any type of document, and a team can draw, collaborate, and review it all on this platform itself. So super easy to make comments. You literally just click on it and comment and approve it and not. So here is a little version of it. Yes, you can circle changes, or you can circle problems, or circle items to tweak. So from a design perspective, it is amazing to be able to highlight, or for the client to highlight what needs to be changed, whether it's a word, whether it's a graphic, and then simply, in my world, be able to go in there and update it without this frustration of second line, third paragraph, put a comma in. It's like, where is that? So anyway, that program does cost, and you can have a squeeze at what that looks like yourself. But it is, for me, it's probably the most seamless program I've used to be able to collaborate between different departments or different companies about what changes need to happen and whether everybody's actually approved that. So again, that could be an amazing way for you guys to proof or comment or collaborate virtually. Yeah, so one that should already be relatively familiar with is either Dropbox or Google Drive or Microsoft Drive, OneDrive, I think it's called. Essentially, it's cloud-based storage where you can store all your files. Personally, I find Dropbox probably one of the easy or the most intuitive filing systems to use. Essentially, log in, drop all the files, and you're able to share that then with your staff members of what the files are, and everybody's able to access them in one spot. Yeah, that is my quick tips of how to run a virtual collaborative team with really easy tools and quick tips. So hope you found it useful. Yeah, hope that you are doing well and are relaxed in this very unsettling time. See you guys, lots of love.